Yes, people, just got back with the Dji Flip. Now, I've done a lot of research on this on YouTube. A lot of people, a lot of the content creators are using these to do different things when they're on holidays, when they're out and about taking walks and different things. So I thought I need to get one of these. So what we're going to look at today then, guys, is the whole brand new side of it. I've just took the cling film off with a knife. I'm going to open it up, I'm going to see what's inside the box. I'm just going to give you a little conversation about it. You know what the good thing about it with these drones? Now, a lot of people say that you need a license. Now, the reason why you don't need a license for these guys, yeah, can you see there? Obviously, it's backwards. 249 grams. Anything over 249 grams, guys, you need a license to draw one, to fly one of these. So obviously I've been doing research, and this is the main one that comes to mind now that I thought, you know what, this is the way forward. So you don't have to wear one of those bloody lanyards with your sight thing on. But yeah, let's open it, let's see what the crack is. I was quite shocked when I brought it because it's like super small, like this is really small compared to what I thought it would be. Got a nice scan code in the back there. Comes in a nice package. See, with a bundle, guys, you get the whole bag. Okay, nice bag to be fair. Looks like a waterproof leather case. Not leather, but it's got like a leather look to it. Put that bit in there. Oh, okay. Okay, so that moves, so you can obviously put it over your shoulder and stuff. So when you're carrying your bits and bobs, that's handy. Let's have a look inside then. Okay, so we've just opened it all up now, and it's compact. But obviously, there will be all the cables and the information, the what to do and how to do guide. But let's open this top one first. I believe that's the joypad. Now I'm going to open these delicate, guys, because if there's anything wrong with it, I can always take it back. But yeah, put that in there. I'm liking it. It's got the like an Xbox or not an Xbox, like Xbox or PlayStation feel, which is really good. These are the little signal things for when you're taking it out, etc. So obviously it's like a signal type of thing that connects to the drone itself. Screen looks super duper. Yeah, obviously, hey, you can see each other now. Yeah, screen looks super duper. I'm not too sure of the size yet, but that's quite decent. And also, guys, you can put at the bottom an SD card. Well, I know there's 64 gig already built into the drone itself. All this for recording, etc. But that's the joypad. Let's have a look at the drone itself now. Now, straight away, guys, this is super light. It's really light. Obviously, 249 grams. But really, really compact. Wow, that's cool. That is really cool. Really, really light. But the body seems really like strength, really strong. So yeah, well, that's really cool. But they say to do the front ones first, and then obviously the back ones come underneath. That is cool. I'm gassed with that, to be fair. That is super cool. Little plastic thing here. It's got two things there for your fingers, squeeze in, pull off nice and steady. And it takes off both. It takes off the shutter thing, and I'm not too sure if it should have took that one off as well. It might be individual. But there you have it, folks. There's the little camera, and I believe this goes up and down and move. It's very, very relaxed. So I gather when we use this with the joypads, this will just move as we want it, etc. But that is a really, really beautiful little bit of kit. Wow. So these are the batteries on the back. Charge to activate the battery before using your first time. Obviously you're going to charge it and straight away out the box. 2 clips there. I believe they clip and you can hear the clip, but that's the battery, guys. With this bundle, I believe you get 3 batteries. So there's one. I believe they say that you can hear the clip. There's the clip. But yeah, that's the drone so far then, guys. Yeah, man, happy with that. What else is in this bundle? Oh, it might be the charging port. See, when you buy the bundle, guys, you buy everything for the whole drone itself: the charger, the control pad, the charging kit, extra batteries. So it's worth its money, really, to be honest, because normally you can buy, but if you go onto any type of DJI software platform rather, you'll see that you can buy the drone and just the joypad on its own without the charger. Oh, a bit tricky really, but that comes with it as well, guys. So there's a charging port there. So there's two batteries and the charging port itself. Now I believe the cable, I don't believe that's exactly what it does. The cable's going to fit in there, guys, and straight to your socket, so to speak. But let's have a look what else is in there. Is there any charging ports in there or anything like that? Oh yeah, there's at the top there, aren't there? So at the top zip there then, guys, what else comes with it? Wow, there's a few bits and pieces, guys. Screwdrivers, extra propellers, which is always a good sign. Extra propellers again. So I believe there might be, yeah, there's enough there for you for find a bit of the old silica gel or something like that, just for the moisture. There's the charging port. Yeah, okay, the charging port. Let me have a quick look at that. So that goes into there. But what charges the whole? I'll have a look at that in a second. But yeah, that's the charging port there, guys. Oh yeah, I believe this goes into, yeah, that, guys. If you haven't already, I've got a big block which allows a USB and one of these kind of adapter push-ins. So that, if you haven't got one of those adapter push-ins, guys, you will need to get one of them, because they're not in here with these with the equipment. Probably only a little bit of a downfall, really. You have to have one of those. I'm not sure if it's similar to like the I can't think of it now, sort of thing, like the, you know, the new AirPods, it's that one. The new one's that kind of, isn't it? The old one's like an iPhone cable, but that is the charging port for it, which I'm happy about. So that can all be dealt with. And there's a how-to quick starting guide, and that's it really, guys. So, but yeah, that is exactly what you get for your money. Oh, and at the back there then, guys, your joypad sticks. Little small joypad sticks. They're right at the back, so be mindful of that, guys, when you're taking it out of the box, or you forget, you think, oh, they're not there. Trust me, they're there. They're sitting at the back, and you just put them on and just twist them on nice and steady. Now, this is my first day getting this, guys, so obviously I need to learn all the components. You've got components at the back. Now, I believe this might be something to do with cameras. There's a camera one there, so I believe that might be just a picture taken wherever you are. And obviously the one at the dot there is the record button. So this here, guys, if I turn it on, now you can see exactly what I can see, guys. This is the first time I've ever turned it on, so it might be dead, I'm not sure. Might need a good charge. But yeah, let's have a look. Hold my finger down. See what it does. Now I need to read the module, to be fair, before I start doing all the messing around. But guys, for the money, I think it's well worth it. Plus you get 3 batteries and the charger and the drone and the carry case. which when you're not actually using the drum and the actual joypad, you put it all back in, close it up and walk away, and then obviously go and edit your videos and stuff when you come back. So without further ado, guys, you will see me do some content with this. So if you do see it on YouTube, guys, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and let me know how my content's going. Okay, guys, all the best, and I'll see you soon.